2024 Escape is actually the same model as the current one and represents only a step before major redesigning of new Escape, which will happen next year. That is why buyers should not be much interested in this version, and it shows only a repetition of the old model features. There are no many changes in the design of 2024 Escape, so do not expect them in details, though. There is the same large and long vehicle, with slightly sloped-roof and highly positioned and flat rear end, decorated with few curved lines, large irregularly shaped rear lights and metallic protection on the bottom. The front end has the rhomboidal ribbed grille and large LED lights on the sides, with a wider intake on the bottom.